The 2025 Futuristic Motorhome is a complete reimagination of what it means to travel, live, and explore on the road. This is not just a vehicle. It's a mobile sanctuary, an autonomous living machine that merges high-end luxury, advanced sustainability, and smart AI-powered features into one seamless design. From the outside, the motorhome immediately draws attention with its sculpted aerodynamic body, crafted from ultralight composite alloys and carbon-infused panels. Its futuristic silhouette is punctuated with adaptive LED matrix lighting that responds to weather, driving conditions, and terrain. Retractable solar arrays line the roof, unfolding automatically when parked to optimize solar energy capture, helping to charge the next-generation graphene battery system, housed beneath the floor for ultra-efficient energy management. Stepping inside, the cabin is nothing short of a futuristic apartment on wheels. The interior is controlled by a central AI ecosystem known as nomad, which learns the routines and preferences of its occupants to adjust lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even layout dynamically. Gone are the traditional buttons and switches. Instead, intuitive voice commands, holographic controls, and gesture recognition replace physical interfaces. The living area transforms with modular furniture that shifts at the touch of a command. A panoramic smart glass wall becomes opaque or transparent, depending on the time of day or user preference, doubling as a 100-inch 8K display. Screen for entertainment or virtual conferencing. The ceiling houses an ambient lighting system that mimics natural circadian rhythms, helping travelers stay refreshed and energized no matter where they are. The 2025 Futuristic Motorhome offers three distinct living zones: day, night, and utility, each seamlessly connected yet independently functional. The day zone includes a convertible lounge space, an AI chef-enabled kitchen, and a dining area that extends outward, with a motorized sliding wall to create an alfresco experience. The kitchen features zero-gravity induction cooktops, a built-in smart pantry that tracks inventory, and a self-cleaning counter with nanomaterial surfaces. Meanwhile, the night zone reveals a full queen-sized bed that lowers from the ceiling, memory foam walls for acoustic isolation, and an adjustable skylight for stargazing. The utility zone houses a full wet bath with a smart shower that recycles water. Using NASA-derived filtration systems, an AI-powered washer-dryer combo, and a retractable workstation with full AR productivity support. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the chassis, the 2025 Futuristic Motorhome is powered by dual electric motors, delivering over 600 horsepower and instant torque to all four wheels.